Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face Vectiv Escape walking shoe. So this is a nice lightweight walking shoe, ideal for trail running and fast-paced hiking, or if you're just after a shoe that's nice and lightweight. Anyway, let's talk about the key features. So there are a couple of, or I should say there's three kind of core key features. Firstly, it features the Future Light waterproof membrane, which is North Face's in-house membrane. So rather than it being an additional add-on when the shoe's created, it's actually been designed and developed whilst the shoe has been again designed and developed. So the two marry up nicely, which means it offers you great waterproofness and amazing breathability. It's a lightweight pair of shoes, so overall pair, depending on the size that you go for, they weigh 660 grams for the pair, which means they're nice and lightweight. Obviously that's 330 grams per shoe, which is incredibly lightweight. And what you'll also notice as well, the bed itself, or the sole itself, isn't a flat shoe. It's not a flat bed, should I say. There's a nice rocking action to it as well. Again, if you're trail running or fast-paced hiking, that means the shoe is designed to help push you forward, which is really, really cool. Anyway, that's the key features. Let's take a closer look at the shoe itself. So it's a nice lightweight shoe. The front part of the shoe is mainly mesh material, which works really, really well with the Future Light membrane in helping with the breathability. You've got a structure around the side there and on the front there, which kind of links into a toe box, and that's just going to help the overall structure of the front part of the shoe, but it all interlinks nicely with the eyelets. Now, the eyelets themselves are fabric, just to help with the overall weight of the trail shoe itself. There's nothing wrong with that. It does exactly what it says on the tin. And as you can see, it all interlinks with kind of that front structure there. And then you've got this section on the side there, which looks like a bit of webbing. Webbing, is that the right word? I'm going to continue saying that. And again, that links in with the eyelets. So what that means is the shoe itself over time is going to mimic and shape to the top part of your foot, meaning you're going to get a much comfortable fit, and eventually these will feel like a pair of slippers. I'm going to geek out a little bit now. They do have flat laces, which is fantastic to see. So flat laces mean once you tighten the shoe up with those laces, that knot is not going to undo unless you've done it up wrong or too loose. Flat laces, although they're very traditional, they're great to see in shoes, and especially with active shoes as well. If you are trail running, the last thing you want to do is have some laces unknot themselves. It's really annoying, and the fact that they've got flat laces, again, that's just going to help prevent that. Around the heel itself, it kind of goes inward, so it's not like your standard flush kind of, should I say, ankle support. The shoe itself goes inwards. There's kind of a bit of an arc pushing that top part in, meaning it's going to be a little bit closer to your ankle, offering you great support, but also as well enabling that closer fit. So it's going to react, you know, if you are trail running or fast-paced hiking, it's just going to react that little bit closer to your movement, which is awesome. On the back as well, you've got a bit of protection as well, so a bit of heel protection on there as well. Let's take a look at the sole itself. So the sole itself has been designed for runners and fast-paced hikers in mind. That's why you have that motion grip, should we say, on the inside there. The grip itself is textured, so if you are running on wet, muddy, icy terrain, it's going to give you all the grip that you need on a nano scale or a micro scale, which is really, really cool to see. And as well, you have great variancy. So it's deeper in sections and it's shallower in sections. And as you can see as well, the groove, or the grip, should I say, is almost sidestepping as well. So you can really dig the shoe in to give you all the grip that you need. And as you can see, you've got that flex, and it works with the actual flex itself, works with the grip design, which is fantastic to see. So who are these shoes for? Well, funnily enough, trail running or fast-paced hiking. If you want a shoe that can kind of do both, bit of low-level hiking, but also a bit of trail running that are nice and lightweight, this is definitely something to consider. If you're after a lightweight pair of shoes, but that also offer an amazing pedigree, these definitely will do the job. Although Vectiv are very relatively new to the market, North Face have a pedigree when it comes to their shoes. So even though like you've got the classic hedgehog range that's been designed and developed, that pedigree will have been put and obviously analysed in the Vectiv technology as well. So you do have a great pedigree when it comes to trail shoes or shoes in general. So yeah, it's definitely something to consider. And again, yeah, like I said, if you're after just a lightweight pair of hiking shoes, even if you're not doing a bit of trail running, they offer great grip great flexibility, and they're just a pretty solid unit overall, which is really, really cool. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about these shoes, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is going to be pinned in the comments below on our YouTube channel. And whilst you're on our website, you might notice two kind of really cool things that we're doing at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So for every order that is placed on our website, webtogs.com, we are going to be planting a tree, which is fantastic. It's something that we're really proud of, and it's a super awesome initiative that we're doing at Webtogs HQ. But what also not a lot of other people do realise is that our warehouse is one of the most eco-friendly warehouses in the world. As of recording, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5%, which within itself is a fantastic reason to shop with us. But when you combine the two, the place an order, plant a tree, and our low emissions, it does something rather special that not a lot of other hiking, actually I don't think any other hiking retailer out there can offer, which is that one tree that we will be planting for future generations actually offsets and wipes out the carbon footprint of 3 other Webtog orders. And how awesome is that? So even though don't forget those 3 other Webtog orders that have been placed, they too will also be planting trees for future generations, which is fantastic. So it is a massive win-win. You're helping reduce the overall carbon footprint on this planet, and you're also planting a tree just through ordering on our website, which is fantastic. Again, if you want to find out more about that, just click on the link that's going to be pinned in the comments below, again on YouTube. I'm going to stop waffling on now. Thanks for watching and happy trails.